Mr. Speaker, the Congress is not spoofing when we say we're going to do something about those individuals that do try to spoof the American public. As has been pointed out, we passed a law back in, actually it was the 2009 Act, but we passed it in 2010, the Truth in Caller ID Act, to mitigate the effects of caller spoofing. As you well know, you look on your caller ID and you see that an innocent or an innocuous individual or company is calling you. As has been pointed out, could be the police department, could be the Pizza Hut, could be almost anything. So you take the call, and that's not what it is. In many cases, they're trying to defraud our elderly in some scam or something like this. So we passed a law that we thought would handle it, but it needs to be updated. And that's what this bill does. As has been pointed out, it makes it illegal to initiate these calls from outside the United States. It makes it illegal to do it over the Internet, over a voice over Internet protocol-based system. And it also broadens the jurisdiction to include text messaging. And as we well know, Mr. Speaker, text messaging is ubiquitous now. On our BlackBerries and our iPads and iPhones and all of our personal telecommunication devices. This bill has bipartisan support. The subcommittee chairman, Mr. Walden, is original co-sponsor. The subcommittee ranking member, Mrs. Eshoo of California, is a co-sponsor. Chairman Emeritus on the Democratic side, John Dingell, is a co-sponsor. I'm an original sponsor. So this is one of these instances, Mr. Speaker, that Republicans and Democrats are united. Chairman Upton, the full committee chairman, and Mr. Waxman, the full committee ranking member, are totally supportive. There's every indication that if this body passes this bill this evening, it will go to the other body, the United States Senate, and we fully expect them to pass it. And this is one of those rare birds in this Congress that might actually be signed by the President of the United States. There is no known opposition to the bill. Our stakeholders, as Mr. Matheson has pointed out, support it. Google supports it. The FCC supports it. AT&T, CTIA, Microsoft, U.S. Telecom, Vonage, Verizon, AARP are just some of the more popularly known stakeholders that support the bill. So I rise in strong support, Mr. Speaker, that we unanimously pass H.R. 3670, the Anti-Spoofing Act of 2013, and send it to the Senate for their consideration. And with that, I yield back the balance of my time.